Hi guys, I transfer my orchids to this. I put that in a bowl. Is that nice? Akong i-transfer kay parang magkamot siya. Look like they're in the tree. Okay. Nice. Ako'y isa. This is the big one.
Oh, this is the inside also.
The vase is there. Orchids. Nice. White one. Very nice. Big to blue. Kung banda, I don't know. Gwapa kayo guys. Gwapa kayo. Ang mini ni siya, mini orchids. Ako po siyang libutang. Trees, kayo. Gamot. They like it. Take you over here. Welcome to the guys.